If you're going through a hard time, I want you to listen to this. So a lot of times we can think that a sad song or a sad movie is pretty harmless. And in fact, we live in a culture where we're like, you know what? It's just a sad song. It's just a sad movie. If anything, it's probably good for you because it can help you process these emotions. Wait just a second. Because if you're going through a very hard time, or if you have a predisposition to feeling depressed or feeling anxious, if you're going through a time in your life that is more difficult than usual and you just need more mental support, I want you to think twice about listening to that sad song or watching that sad movie. When you're in that vulnerable state, you want to remember that everything that you take in, everything that you consume is going to affect how you feel. And we can sometimes set ourselves into a tailspin by making matters worse when listening to sad songs or watching sad movies. Make a list of what makes you feel good, what makes you feel joy, and what makes you feel happy. Is it going for a walk? Is it making a nutritious meal? Is it sitting down and petting your dog? Is it watching a movie that you just love? Sit down and make a list of all the things that make you feel good. Make a list of all the podcasts that make you feel inspired. Maybe pick up books that you are going to learn something from. That's what's going to help you through. Most importantly, if you haven't already, make sure that you're talking to someone.